Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to enable the developer menu in Safari on your MacBook. This menu gives you access to advanced tools for inspecting websites, clearing cache, testing web pages, and viewing source code. Let's begin. First, open Safari on your MacBook. Once Safari is open, move to the top left corner of the screen and click Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. A new Settings window will appear with different tabs like General, Tabs, Autofill, Privacy, and more. Now click on the Advanced tab on the far right side. This section contains Safari's advanced and developer-related options. Look all the way at the bottom of this page, and you'll find an option called Show Features for Web Developers. Simply check this box. The moment you enable it, a new menu called Develop will instantly appear in the top menu bar beside Bookmarks and Window. You do not need to restart Safari. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now you can click the Develop menu to access Safari's developer tools. One of the most useful options here is Show Web Inspector, which lets you inspect web page elements, debug websites, and view HTML or CSS directly inside Safari. Another popular option is Empty Caches, which quickly clears website cache without removing cookies or logging you out of websites. There's also a faster way to open the Web Inspector once the Develop menu is enabled. Simply press Option plus Command plus I on your keyboard while viewing a web page. This instantly opens the inspection tools without going through the menu manually. And that's it. You now know how to enable the developer menu in Safari on your MacBook and access useful web development and debugging tools. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.